my precious. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing something a little different today. As you guys can see right here, I have the new iPhone XS Max. A little confusing to say. I mean, I don't know why they took away Plus for Max, but whatever it is, we got it here today, baby. Finally upgrading my phone. We got a lot more space. You're not going to have to worry about it anymore. So we're going to be doing an unboxing today. I know unboxing videos are a little different for my channel, but I've always really liked watching unboxing videos. I always found them to be very interesting. So today I figured I picked up the new iPhone. I figured why not do an unboxing video of the new iPhone. But the box is already open at the AT&T store. I told them not to open it because I wanted to have my first impressions. But all they did was they opened it, they set it all up, and put the glass protector on. But I don't know what any of the phone looks like. So we're gonna open the thing right now. Here we go. Designed by Apple in California. And hello. Yeah, I guess all these directions. You don't need any of that. Got these Apple stickers. I never use these. I honestly never even noticed I even got stickers. More important junk. Not really sure. Oh, this is where the I guess this is where the SIM card goes. And here she is. My precious. Alrighty. Here's the phone right here. Man, she is a beauty. I love this new gloss black look. And on the sides here, it's like this, I don't even know, but it's like a glossy space gray. The color is space gray. 64 gigabytes. Absolutely beautiful. So we're going to put this right here. As you all know, we got our power brick. I got plenty of these. But I use the iPad charger brick to charge up my phone. So this will just be a spare. And you got your typical Apple wired headphones. I kind of wish they would include the AirPods because there's no headphone jack anymore. And for some reason, when the X came out, I always thought they would maybe include the AirPods because there's no more headphone jack. But what are you gonna do? It's Apple. Always getting our money, but they always get it. I'm always buying the products. All right. So moving back to the video. We have our iPhone charging jack. I'm very happy that I was actually about to buy a separate one of these, so I don't have to take my my regular jack to charge my phone for my computer. So I'm very happy you got one of these, and you just got the rest of the box. All right, let's turn on the phone. Oh, here it goes. Oh, man. So happy. I'll tell you the story on how I actually got the phone once it all boots up. And you know what? While it's loading, I'll tell you guys now. So, I was waiting for my mom because you know how the phone plans work. You gotta have some kind of code to get in if it's not your main plan. Because I'm on a plan with my parents and my grandparents and my sister, and then it's me. So I walked in the AT&T store because you gotta pay off the phone that you're watching the video off now to upgrade your phone. So I walked there. I just want to know how much I got left. So the guy looked up, $66. I'm like, all right, sweet. So is there any way that I can get the new iPhone XS Max Space Gray 64 gigabyte today? Well, yeah, we got plenty in the back. I'm like, what? How? I'm like, how? Because every time it's a new phone, man, it's like that, and they're gone instantly. I was looking on the Apple website, and they were instantly gone too. So, they said the story, yeah, they gave us a lot more than what they usually do. We usually get 3 phones, but they gave us a whole bunch. So sweet, yeah, yeah, man, let's do it. So we get out the phone and say, I want to make an unboxing video for my YouTube channel. All right, man, that's cool. I'll definitely look you up. But then all of a sudden they open the phone, open everything. I'm like, oh, dude, I don't want to see it. Just do whatever you got to do. So I just making noises already. So do whatever you gotta do so I can know, my first impression. which I did. Like, it's beautiful. Look at it. It's perfect. It's my precious. For any of you guys are fans of Lord of the Rings, you'll know what I mean by saying that. Alright, so we have the phone right here. They did my cloud backup. So as you can see, I have my notifications here, my picture here, and then you look at it, and you unlock it. And here we go. Got all my stuff. Yeah, man, I gotta say, it's a beautiful phone. Like, there's no denying that. I really like how the new camera looks here. Look, I'll even do a test camera shot right now for you guys. So, this is the new Tommy Clan camera. I can't wait to film better cooking videos on this. Be a lot more nice and crisp. Look, you can probably see me filming myself right there. Can't wait to film. I'm so hyped. So now I can maybe hold off on getting an actual camera. I can just film everything back on the phone. And speaking of, wow, it's literally perfect. Speaking of upgrades, we do have a major upgrade coming, and that'll be the next unboxing video that you guys will be seeing. So, overall, I think the phone is perfect. It's what I was looking for. I got a case. It's right over there. I got whatever case I had at the store. And phone is looking great. As of right now, I am completely pleased and very happy by it. And that kind of wraps up the video. Kind of wraps up the unboxing video. So, if you're definitely in for an upgrade on your iPhone, definitely get the XS Max. Don't go for the small, get the big one. Well, with that being said, so that wraps up today's video. If you like this video, please make sure you smash that like button. And if you want to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing. And if you want to stay up to date of whenever I post a video, hit that bell button. And please share this video with your friends. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, before I forget, check me out on social media. The links are in the description down below. Bye. Close it! Unlock it! Mom! I don't have a lot of space on this freaking phone.